Trucking is one of the most regulated industries in the U.S., and once you receive your permanent operating authority, the paperwork doesn't stop there. It's really just the beginning. There are several filings you'll need to renew every year or every 2 years to stay compliant. If that sounds overwhelming, don't worry about it. I'm going to walk you through the 5 major filings you need to keep on your radar. Let's start with IFTA, which stands for the International Fuel Tax Agreement. IFTA is how fuel taxes are divided fairly between the states you drive in. You'll file a report and pay any taxes owed every quarter, so 4 times a year, through your state's fuel tax agency. If you'd like more details on how that works, we have a video dedicated to IFTA. Now let's talk about the filings you handle once a year. There are 3 main ones that most interstate carriers deal with. First is IRP, the International Registration Plan. If you're running across state lines, you'll need apportion plates. You'll file through your state's DOT or DMV, and the initial filing has a set fee, which varies by equipment type and state, but renewals depend on last year's mileage. Then there's the UCR, which stands for the Unified Carrier Registration. This is an annual registration fee for carriers operating interstate. You can file it online at ucr.gov, and the amount you pay depends on the size of your fleet. That fee can change from year to year. And finally, there's BOC-3, also known as your process agent designation. This form designates a legal representative in every state in case your company is ever sued outside of your home state. Most carriers file this when they first apply for operating authority, usually through a third-party provider. Some providers offer a one-time fee instead of charging annually, which can save you time and money down the road. The last major filing you need to know about is your Biennial update, also called the MCS 150. This is required by FMCSA whether you operate interstate, intrastate, or both. It keeps your company's information current and up to date. The good news is it's free, and it's due every 2 years. You can complete it online through the FMCSA website. So how do you know when your biennial update is due? Your DOT number actually tells you. The last digit represents the month you filed, 1 for January, 2 for February, and so on. If the last digit is 0, that means October. The second to the last digit tells you the year. If it's an odd number, you'll file in an odd number year. If it's even, you'll file in even number years. Once you know how to read it, it's pretty straightforward. One last thing to keep in mind, your home state may have additional annual requirements as well. Those vary from state to state, so it's always a good idea to check with your Secretary of State's office to make sure you're fully compliant. At the end of the day, staying on top of these filings keeps your business running smoothly. Have questions? The Apex Startup Program has answers and expert help to get your operating authority fast. Give us a call at 855-211-0929 or visit us at apexcapitalcorp.com. We're here to make it easier for you.